Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and picking the photo you will edit. This matters because source quality affects the result. Once done, tap the edit icon and choose the magic eraser. It's designed to replace pixels smartly. You should zoom in and steady your device so the algorithm has clear detail to work with. Make sure you have enough contrast between the subject and background, otherwise the tool may produce visible seams. Next, you brush directly over the object you want removed, because precise selection gives better fills. Using small strokes around edges prevents accidental removal. Then vary brush size, smaller for hair or text, larger for uniform areas, and use the erase option to correct overshoot. The algorithm samples surrounding pixels to create a natural fill, so pause while it renders and inspect the result. If it looks off. To finish, you review the whole image at normal zoom and perform 1 or 2 touch-up passes. Small artifacts can be fixed by reapplying the eraser or using the retouch tools. Once satisfied, save or send your snap. If the fill looks unnatural, try a different nearby sample area, restart the app, or update Snapchat. These steps resolve most glitches. And if nothing helps, slightly crop the photo. Changing the frame often gives the algorithm better context for a clean fill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.